Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sum columns and rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Summing columns and rows in Google Sheets is a common task and can be easily accomplished using formulas. But you have to remember that it will allow you to aggregate numerical data into meaningful totals or subtotals. I believe that it's very essential for understanding the overall picture of your data, whether it's sales figures, expenses, quantities, or any other numeric values. For example, you have you wanted to have the total of the expenses, right? I'm gonna put in some 10 or maybe random numbers. Okay. Now, summing columns and rows help calculate totals across different categories or periods. For example, this one. Now, the formula is all you're gonna do is put in equal sign and then sum. Now again, put in equal sign and then sum. You see, when you put in the sum information here, all these has been selected. That means it would calculate from the B5 until B16. So it's being giving a suggestion. When you click on it, this is going to be the total. But of course, we're going to have a different approach here. I'm going to say maybe 20. And again, click on sum. So this is going to be your total. If you wanted to do this across this section for the row and column, it's the same thing. All you're going to do is put in sum. And that's going to be the total. All right. It's a very straightforward process, really, because it will allow you to compare totals between different categories, time periods, or segments of your data. And this analysis helps identify trends, patterns, and anomalies within the information that you have here in Google Sheets, which is very fundamental for organizing and interpreting numerical data effectively. It supports decision-making process, enhancing data-driven insights, and of course, it gives you clear communication of findings within the organizations. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.